Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start in Roblox Studio, sign in, and open the place that contains the UI. Once done, open Explorer and locate Starter GUI or the Active Screen GUI. You need the text label or text box instance. Click the object and look at its Properties panel, then find the text property. Now change the displayed word directly in text. Make sure you press Enter to commit the edit, because leaving without confirming can revert the change. Once you can edit the text property, make the change dynamic by scripting it. You can put a local script under Player GUI to set text per player, or use a server script for universal changes. For layout, call Text Service, get text size, to compute width and adjust font size or text wrapped so the word fits. If you need translations, store phrases in a module script and pick the string based on player. Locale ID. This keeps edits centralized, and you finish by testing. Run Play Solo and start server with clients to confirm the word updates for all necessary players. Once satisfied, publish the place and test in the Roblox client on different screen sizes, since fonts scale differently. If the change doesn't appear, check common issues. The element might be invisible or overridden by a script, the text property could be data-bound, or an incorrect parent is blocking rendering. If that happens, reopen the script and step through to find the override.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.